Welcome, this is Manju. Today we will be discussing about definition, concept like management is science or art and importance of management. Let's first start with defining management, what exactly management is. A very famous personality, Mary Potter Follett, has given a very popular definition for management as management is the art of getting things done through people. Is this the right definition for management? No, it is not a universally accepted definition because it fails to highlight many factors like the functions of a manager. It also ignores the scientific aspect of management, which is given by Taylor. It also ignores human aspects of management and treats people as merely means of getting things done, which will not be actually happen. And also, it does not define the role of internal and external environment, which we all know that affect the organization. So, it is very important to understand the real definition of management. The real definition of management is a process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling activities of and using resources of an organization for accomplishing the organizational goals effectively and efficiently in an ever-changing environment. This definition takes into account different functions of management like planning, organizing, directing, controlling. We also has functions like reporting, coordinating. So all these are important functions which are taken into account in this definition. It also talks about organization utilization, it resources efficiently and effectively, that is optimally utilizing the resources, and it also talks about the ever changing environment in which the organization functions, which is the internal and external environment. The internal environment is basically the customers, employees, suppliers, competitors, which basically affect your organization or your stakeholders. Your external environment is fiscal, political, economical, social, cultural, technological, ecological, and legal environment which indirectly affects the organization. So, it is important to understand that all these affects the organization directly or indirectly. So, this is a more effective definition of management. Now, another important concept of management is the 5 M's. What are these 5 M's? Let's understand this. First M is methods. When managing things in organization, that you know that's the right method of doing things. If you don't know the right method of doing things, then you will not be able to manage things properly. Second M is material. Optimal utilization of material, that is, best possible way in which the material or resources needs to be managed. Third M is machinery or the tools with which the management needs to be performed. Tools required for the proper working of organization. Next M is money. Without the financial resources, one organization cannot really function. Fifth and very important M is man. Without manpower, no organization can function. So this is the most important M in the 5 M's of management. Now another important topic is concept or nature of management. First, very widely discussed concept is whether management is art or science. Ideally, management is a combination of art and science. How science? Science basically talks about principles, theories. So, a person, he or she, needs to have knowledge about management principles. So, that is the science aspect of management. What is the art aspect of management? The skills of how to apply the knowledge or how the knowledge can be utilized is the art aspect of the management. So the management is basically combination of science, which is the knowledge of principles and theories, and art is how to apply the knowledge in the organization. Second concept or nature of management is a multidisciplinary discipline, which means the management itself is not a discipline, but it has evolved from different other fields. So its theories, principles and concepts are founded upon other discipline. What are these different disciplines? These are economic, sociology, psychology, mathematics, information technology, etc. So all these have basically contributed to the science and art of management. Third concept or nature of management is intangible. Intangible stands for something which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but it can be felt. Management can always be felt, its existence or its inexistence. So, if the function is mismanaged, we can felt it. Fourth nature of management is pervasive at all levels. Every manager at top level, middle level or supervisory levels perform some managerial functions and activities need to be performed. Everybody has to do the managerial activity at some levels. Fifth nature of management is it is an environment oriented activity. Organization cannot work in a closed system. It have to be an open system and need to interact with internal and external environment. External environment affects an organization to a great extent. Accordingly, internal environment of the organization needs to be managed. Sixth nature of management is optimally utilizing the resources. That is, the resources should be used in best possible way. Physical, financial and informational resources must be optimally utilized. Another important topic is need or importance of management. The management is important for the effective utilization of resources, that is, optimal utilization of resources. Along with optimal usage of resources, it is also important to develop new resources. And also, management should incorporate new innovations. The management is important for better coordination among various departments. If the better coordination misses, the management between HR and other departments like account will not have proper coordination. Also, management provide a sense of security and oneness to employees. If organization is mismanaged, employees will not feel the sense and feel happy working in organization. To complete the task within stipulated time frame, management is very important. All the tasks need to be completed in the stipulated time frame. Thank you.